Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well at home. Welcome to my class. This is grade 5th math. In today's video, we will be doing exercise 3.5 sixth bit. Okay? So find the LCM of the following numbers by the common division method. Okay? So we have to find the LCM with the help of common division method. Okay? This is our first question. 14 and 42. Okay, so let us solve this. So this is a common division method. So you should take always small numbers. So I am considering 2. Okay, so 2 sevens are 14, 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2. Next 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 threes are 21. Okay. Next 3. This one is as it 3 ones are 3. Okay. Next what we have to write? We have to write LCM of 14 and 42. Okay. 14 and 42 equals to 2 into 7 into 3. It's 2 into 7 into 3. Okay. 2 sevens are 14. Okay. 14 threes are. So if you don't know multiplication tables, you have to multiply like this. 14, 3 4s are 12, 2 here, 1 carry here, 3 ones are 3, carry 1 is 4, 42. So 14 3s are 42. So 2 into 7 into 3 equals to 42. Therefore the LCM of 14 and 42 equals to 42. Okay. So this is the common division method. With the help of this, what we did, we have find the LCM. Okay, let us do the second one. Okay, 30 comma 40. 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10, 2 twos are 4, 0. Next 5. Okay, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20. Okay, so if you want to take, you can take 3. 3 ones are 3, this 4 will be as it is. Next 4. 4 ones are 4. Okay, because this 15 will divisible in 5. Only 5 3s are 15. This 20 also. 5 4s are 20. Next this 3 ones are 3. This 4 will be as it is. Next 4. 4 ones are. This 1 will be as it is. This 4 ones are 4. Okay. Now what we have to do next step? We have to write the LCM. LCM of 30 and 40. Okay. So 2 into 5 into 3 into 4. Okay, so 2 5s are 10. Okay, 10 3s are 30. 30 into 4. 4 into 0. 4 zeros are 0. 4 3s are 12. So what is the LCM here? 120. Okay, LCM is 120. Okay, so with first, second I have completed. Third, you try it. Okay, let us go to the 7th bit. Find the HCF and LCM of the following numbers by the division method. So we have to find HCF as well as LCM. Okay, by the division method. Our first question is 12 and 48. Okay, our first question is 12 and 48. So let us solve this. Okay, firstly we will do HCF by division method. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to find HCF as well as LCM. So first I am doing HCF by division method. So 48 divided by 12. Okay, so in 12 48 will come. Yes, 12 4s are 48. Okay, so 48 minus 48 0. Okay, so this is HCF by division method. Next what we have to do, we have to do LCM. Okay, LCM by division method. To 12 comma 48. So I am considering here 2. Okay, because This 12 and 48 will be divisible. Okay, 2 6 are 12, 2 2 are 4, 2 4 are 8. Again 2, 2 3 are 6, 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4. 3 in 3, this 3 will divisible and 12 also. So 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. Okay. If you want to stop here, you can, or else you can take 4 also here. 4 1s are 4. So LCM equals to 2 into 2 into 3 into 4. Okay. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 4s are 48. Okay. So LCM is 48. This is 2 number. No, let us do the 3 number also. Okay, 3 number of finding the HCF as well as LCM. This is 7th bit E problem, 42, 56 and 70. Okay, so what we have to do? Firstly, we have to find the HCF by division method. Okay, 56 divided by 42. Okay, so firstly check, 42 ones are 42. Okay, 56 minus 42 is 14. Okay, so now this 42 is divisor. Okay, now this 14 become here new divisor. Okay, this is a previous divisor and this is a new divisor. I already explained to you this concept. Okay, so now this previous divisor become a new dividend. Okay, so 14 3s are 42. We have to do this until we'll get the 0. We have to do this process until we'll get the 0 as the remainder. Okay, now we got here 0 as the remainder. So this is our last divisor. We have to check the last divisor. Okay, so this is our HCF. Last divisor we have to check. So 14 is the last divisor. So this is our HCF. Next is 70 divided by 56. So 56, this is left 70, so we have to do 70. 56 ones are 56. 70 minus 56 is, again we will get 14. Okay, so now we have to take this as dividend. This divisor we have to take here as dividend. So we have to write here 56. Okay, 14 4s are 56. So 56 minus 56, 0. Now here also we got HCF 14 itself. Because why we are saying HCF is 14? Because we have to check the last divisor. Okay, so here our last divisor is 14, here also our last divisor is 14. So this is our HCF. Okay. LCM by division method. Okay, LCM by division. 42, 56, 70. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16. 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. 3 7s are 21. This 28 will be as it is. This 35 will be as it is. Next is 7 1s are 7. 7 4s are 28. 7 5s are 35. Okay, so therefore LCM equals to 2 into 3 into 7 into 1 into 4 into 5. Okay, so here 2 3s are 6. 6 7s are 42. 42 into 1 also 42. Next 42 into 4. Okay, 42 into 4. 4 2s are 8, 4 4s are 16. 168 into 5. Okay, 168 into 5. 5 8s are 40. 5 6 is 30 plus 4 34. 5 1s are 5. Plus 3 is 8. So 840 is our LCM. Okay, so this is the 7th bit of exercise 3.5. 8th bit is a word problem, so I am not considering that. ninth and 10th bit is very simple. So express the following numbers. 9th bit, express the following numbers as a sum of 2 primes. So we have to prove 18 with the sum of 2 primes. So we have to consider 2 prime numbers. Let me do this. Okay, 11 plus 7 equals to 18. So 11 as well as 7, they both are prime numbers, and what we are doing? We are doing sum and we are getting the result is 18. Okay, like that you have to do. This is the 9th bit. 10th bit is express the following numbers as a difference of 2 primes. Okay, difference is nothing but minus, so we should get 9 only. We have to consider 2 prime numbers. So 11 minus 2 equals to 9. 11 and 2 is prime number. My difference is nothing but minus, so we are getting the same number 9. Okay, like this you have to do. It's very easy. With this we have completed our exercise 3.5. okay, in the next class I am going to start new topic, that is discover the relationship of HCF and LCM. I hope you understood the concept. Thank you.